morning, children. I am your teacher. I teach English. I am Оля. I am Mortimer. Who are you?
I am Даня.
Give me 5, Danya. Okay.
Пальчиком.
I am Morty. Who are you?
I am Ева.
I am Yeva. Give me 5, Yeva. It's good. I am Оля. I'm fine. How are you? Как дела? How are you, Данечка?
I am fine.
Give me 5. Thank you. How are you, Yeva?
I'm so.
Yeah, so. Give me 5. I am your teacher. You are children. We are the children of the world. Look, it's the world. All together, it's the world. Tanya, what's that? It's the world. Okay, Yeva, what's that? It's the world. Look, I've got the map. Карта. It's the world. We are the children of the world. Children live in America, Africa, Australia, Europe, and Asia. We are the children of the world. Okay, children. It's Danya. It's the world. Let's learn about the world. What's that? It's the world. All together, it's the world. Okay. Look here, Yeva. Here is America, Danya. Here is America. All together, it's America. Louder, Yeva. It's America. Danya. And softer. America. Okay. Look. Here is Africa. Louder. Africa. All together. Africa. Here is Europe.
Europe.
Danchika, softer. Europe. And here is Asia. Asia. Yevachka, what's that? It's Asia. And here is Australia. Danya, what's that? It's
Australia.
Australia. Good. So, let's learn the continents. I throw you a ball. So, repeat after me. Повторяй за мной.
А мне Америку.
Okay. Danya, catch a ball. America.
America.
Africa.
Africa.
Asia.
Asia.
Australia.
Australia.
Africa.
Africa.
Europe.
Europe.
America.
America.
Australia.
Australia.
And Asia.
Asia.
Thank you, Yeva. Okay. And now, let's sing the song about the world. Stand up and sing with me. We are the children of the world. So, Daniel, start. We are the children of the world. We are the children of the world. In Europe, America, Australia, and Africa, and Asia, the children of the world. Okay, thank you very much. Give me 5, Eva. Thank you for singing. Danya, what are you doing? What?